11, folks. See, we did the grass, the front yard today, so we got a new pile coming. But doing a little experiment today. Do some of the winter pile, see if we can grow something else. All right, let's get started. Cracked it open. Okay, it was a little warm on the inside. I think if I see it go down to 50 something down. Uh, know how we started off. Work pile number 1. We get about 60. I think it's later in the day and it's cool out today, so you know. Working pile number 2. And this one warmer. This one definitely still cooking on the inside. Alright. Check the inside. Okay. This one actually was warm on the inside for real. FYI, that's how you know your pile's still young if it still get hot. Alright. Oh good, it's cooking. It's cooking. I seen 85. Okay, 88. We do the twin piles together now, so okay. We got some decent temps. This one too. I expect this one to be warmer. So, alright. Plan for the day is add water to this. Add water and green grass. Add water, green grass, and dry grass. Water, a small amount of green grass, a large amount of brown grass. That's how we're going to do it. And still make a pile out there. And side note for today, I'm going to have to move the winter pile after you take some out of it. I'm going to have to use it, some of it, and break it down into 2. So, 2 finished piles from here on out. So, 2 finished piles. Work pile 1, work pile 2, that'll get moved over. Twin piles will get moved over. A new pile will be started out of that. Dry piles will stay where they are. I added all of my amendments to each pile. That one had, work pile 1 has a winter pile leftovers. Work pile 2 has green. Twin piles have green and brown at their own ratios. There we go. Working pile 1, working pile 2. Both mixed and raked already. Blank space. Blank space. Time to move these. Or wait till tomorrow. Alright. 2 finished piles. 2 working piles. The twin piles. AKA the next working piles. Green pile. Blank space for a new one. And they don't look like it, but 2 dries. Alright. Took a bunch of the compost. The winter pile that was finished. I'm going to use this container, some holes drilled in the bottom, and we're going to plant something, starting off with a bunch of sticks at the base. I'm going to fill the rest of it up, almost to the top, with compost that was dry, or at least breakable. The sticks at the bottom for drainage. Even though I know it's more than 10, but I'll take about 10 of these and I'll put them in here and bury them with some more compost. See if they grow. Alright. instead of 10, just did all 15. No, why not? And from there, sprinkle some more on there. And now that they're covered, I was able to catch just enough rainwater in my bucket. Now see if this is properly saturated. I ain't trying to go too wild, so it don't disturb the soil or the compost really. I see one. Alright, we got our runoff. Now I'm gonna just leave these out here, see how they do. Alright. That's it. And those are apple seeds, by the way.